Chris Menard here. The 2025 tax season, time to file your taxes, is quickly approaching. I want to know, can Microsoft Copilot tell me what my tax liability is? I know how to figure it out. I have an accounting degree and I'm really good in Excel. So let's just first get the check figure to make sure that it's correct. So, this first part of this video, and there are chapters listed in here, is just figuring out how much you owe using Excel. You can use another spreadsheet program if you want to. So I pulled and downloaded the 2025 tax brackets for the Fed. It came from a company called the Tax Foundation, so just give them credit here. I'm going to pick married filing jointly. So step one is to figure out what status you're going to have here, whether you're single, jointly, or head of household. I'm going to pick jointly in this example. Step two is to figure out what your taxable income is. This is not your gross. This is not your adjusted gross income. It is your taxable income. If you pull up your 1040 federal tax form from 2024, this will be line number 15. It takes your adjusted, it subtracts out your standard or itemized, and then if you have any qualifying business deductions, you would subtract those to get your taxable income. So in this example, we're making the taxable income 130. The next step is find married filing jointly. There are the 7 different tax brackets we have here in the U.S. 130 falls in this range right here in cell C6. So you basically put in the 10, 12, and 22%. I copied and pasted. There's 0 to 23,850, 23,850 to 96,950, and then the 96,950. You don't leave it at the 206,750. You put in, let's just say, whatever your taxable income is on line 15. Now, here you're just going to do just a simple calculation. That was C13 minus B13 and pull it down. There are the amounts and their different tax brackets. We have a progressive tax system. And then you simply do the 10% times the 23,850. Autofill this down. My total is 18,428, but let's just make it official and add it up. There you go. That would be my tax liability for the year 2025 when I go file them. If you do them yourself, see your CPA, whatever. But that is going to be your tax liability. So the question I had, and this is part 2 of this video, is could Microsoft Copilot have just done this for me? Let's go give it a test. I'm going to crank up Copilot. Not required, but Copilot, if you notice now, if you come down here to more, it is using GPT 5.2 if you want to. I'm going to do a quick response, but actually think deeper may be better for this one. But let's just see if we just quickly give it to us. What's my prompt here in the prompt box? I want to know my tax. Inside the prompt box, I want to know my tax liability for 2025 taxable income. Line 15 is $130K. I intentionally did not tell Copilot whether I was single, head of house, or filing jointly. I want to see it come back and ask me that. Excellent. Copilot came back and said, hey, I can calculate this. You're missing something. You're missing your filing status. So I'm going to put in, I told Copilot married, filing jointly is the status. It comes back with some bullets and some details. There are some assumptions in here. No tax credits. That would be the child care tax credit or something else. It does show the exact same tax brackets I just showed you in Excel. Then it does a step-by-step calculation, and it comes up 18,428. Back in Excel, 18,428. Went back over to Copilot, and it's doing a great job. It even told me this, my tax bracket or marginal tax bracket was the 22%. It went from 10 to 12 to 22. Remember, there's 7 different tax brackets. And then it told me my effective tax rate, which is the amount of tax that you need that is due divided by your taxable income. In this example was 130, coming up at 14.2%. So that is a plus for Copilot for figuring this out for me. Appreciate your time. My online training's available. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.